Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to be making a delicious and airy chiffon cake. If you've never tried making one before, don't worry. We'll walk you through the steps. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's get started with our chiffon cake recipe. Ingredients. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 1/4 cups of cake flour, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 7 large egg yolks, 3/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the meringue, 7 large egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the cake flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make a well in the center. 3. In the well, add the vegetable oil, egg yolks, water, and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and well combined. 4. In a separate bowl, beat the egg whites with cream of tartar until soft peaks form. 5. Gradually add the sugar to the egg whites, continuing to beat until stiff peaks form. 6. Gently fold the egg white mixture into the batter in 3 additions until well combined. 7. Pour the batter into an ungreased chiffon cake pan. 8. Bake in the preheated oven for 55–60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 9. Once baked, invert the pan onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. 10. Once cooled, run a knife around the edges to release the cake from the pan. 11. Transfer the chiffon cake to a serving plate and dust with powdered sugar if desired. And there you have it, a light and fluffy chiffon cake that's sure to impress. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below with your favorite cake recipes. Subscribe for more delicious content, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!